Welcome to Learning to Engineer. In this video, we will see the effect of feedback on the OPAMP circuit. What will happen if it is a negative feedback and what will happen if it is a positive feedback. Okay, so let's get started. In an operational amplifier, when one of the terminal is grounded, the other term acts as a virtual ground. Okay, for more on this concept, you can watch this video. Okay, so when this is in 0 volt and no current is flowing into the terminal, the current that is supplied by this signal input will flow directly into the feedback and this output will be fed back into this amplifier. Okay, so this is the effect of the feedback resistor. If you have supplied that to a negative terminal, in a negative feedback case, this is a degenerative feedback, meaning the error term will be subtracted from that input current. So constantly this will be generating the output signal in a degenerative manner. Whereas when you have positive feedback, the signal goes on increasing and it will drive this op-amp into saturation. I'll explain this with an example. Okay, consider that you are supplying a voltage of 0.02 volt and this has a gain of, let us say, 1000. Okay, and I am supplying plus 5 volt as VCC and the minus VEE is minus 5 volt. Okay, so under this configuration, what will be the value of output? Input times the gain, which is 0.02 into 1000. Okay, so V out is equal to 0.02 multiplied by 1000. This is equal to 20 volt. The output of this op amp is 20 volt, and do you think this is going to be the real output? No, because this will be limited to plus and minus 5 volt. So the output will be 5 volt at this output terminal. Okay, so when this 5 volt is fed back into this amplifier, so this will enter into saturation at all times. This is why we use positive feedback. In negative feedback, that will not be the case. Okay, so whenever you want to generate a stream of pulses, we use positive feedback. In application of a sine wave generator, in sawtooth wave generator, in multivibrator, Smith trigger, and so on. You don't have any feedback resistor when you are using it as a comparator, because the objective is to find out the highest of the two signals which is connected in the inverting and non-inverting terminals. Okay, so when you are using negative feedback, you will be using the operational amplifier in any kind of arithmetic circuits like adder, subtractor, differentiator, integrator, or you will be using simply as a voltage amplifier or any type of dependent current sources or voltage sources. You can also use this as a voltage buffer. Okay, so thanks for watching. For more information about this, you can check out this video where I've solved some problems to explain these concepts better. Thank you.